Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share with you how to make money from home as a teen. There are many ways for teens to make money from home. Here are some of the most popular options. 1. Take online surveys. This is a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. There are many different survey companies that you can sign up with, such as Swagbucks, LifePoints, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. 2. Do online tasks. There are also many websites that will pay you to do simple tasks, such as watching videos, clicking on ads, and signing up for websites. Some popular websites for this type of work include ClickWork, OneSpace, Ysense, Swagbucks, and PrizeRebel. 3. Freelance. If you have any skills or talents, you can use them to freelance online. This could include things like writing, editing, graphic design, web development, or social media marketing. There are many websites where you can find freelance work, such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. 4. Sell stuff online. If you have any old clothes, toys, or other belongings that you are no longer using, you can sell them online. There are many different websites where you can do this, such as eBay, Craigslist, and Facebook Marketplace. 5. Start a blog or YouTube channel. If you have a passion for something, you can start a blog or YouTube channel and make money through advertising. This can be a great way to share your interests with others and earn some extra cash at the same time. 6. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from a remote location. This is a great option for teens who are organized, reliable, and have good communication skills. There are many websites where you can find a virtual assistant job, such as Upwork and Fiverr. No matter which option you choose, be sure to do your research and find a company or website that is legitimate. There are many scams out there, so it's important to be careful. Here are some additional tips for making money from home as a teen. Be organized and efficient. When you're working from home, it's important to be able to manage your time effectively. Set aside specific times each day to work, and make sure you have a system for tracking your earnings. Be persistent. It may take some time to find a way to make money from home that works for you. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. Keep trying different things, and eventually you'll find something that's a good fit. Have fun. Making money from home should be enjoyable. If you're not having fun, you're less likely to stick with it. Find a way to make money that you're passionate about, and you'll be more likely to be successful. I hope this helps. Please remember to click on like and subscribe. After you have subscribed, please leave a comment in the comments section below, and I will try to reply to your comments. I'd see you in the next video. Bye.